Before buying a rowing machine, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Yosuda Magnetic Rower. The Yosuda rowing machine is a solid choice for anyone looking to elevate their home workouts. Priced at $189.99, its sleek block design immediately caught my attention. If you want an effective, full-body workout that can adapt to your fitness level, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 16 levels of magnetic resistance, you can easily adjust the intensity to match your training goals. Whether you're a beginner or an athlete, you can push yourself without worrying about noise, thanks to its dual silent system that operates quietly in under 25 decibels. You can track your performance with its digital monitor, showing calories burned, distance, and more, which is crucial for staying motivated. It's built for durability with a maximum weight capacity of 350 pounds and is suitable for users between 4'5" and 6'2" tall. Now, some people complained about the assembly process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's up, you won't have to deal with it again, and it takes less than 30 minutes. If you're someone who values a quieter workout and doesn't mind a little assembly, this could be a great pick. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable machine for both cardio and strength training at home. Skip this one if you want something that's completely silent right out of the box, but at this price, you really can't beat it. Now, if the assembly concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, YPO Foldable Rowing Machine. The YPO rowing machine is another excellent option, priced at $169.99. I really like its compact design, which is perfect for small spaces. If you want a powerful yet quiet workout experience, this is worth considering. This rowing machine features 16 levels of magnetic resistance, delivering a quiet workout at less than 25 dB. You can customize your intensity, which is great whether you're just starting out or pushing for an intense session. The LCD monitor tracks your time, distance, and calories, helping you stay on top of your fitness goals. Plus, it supports up to 350 pounds, making it accessible for a wide range of users. However, some users found the seat a bit firm for longer workouts. Here's the thing, if you're focused on hitting those intense sessions, you might overlook this minor discomfort as you get used to the machine. This is perfect for you if you live in an apartment or small home and need something that won't take up too much space. Skip this one if you prefer a cushioned seat for extended workouts, but overall, it's a solid investment. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a truly seamless experience.
Product number 3, YPO Self-Powered Rowing Machine. The YPO Self-Powered Rowing Machine, available for $249.99. This machine caught my eye because it doesn't need an outlet. It generates its own power as you row. If you want a truly hassle-free rowing experience, this could be the one for you. With 1 to 32 resistance settings, you can seamlessly adjust your workout intensity, making it adaptable for all fitness levels. Plus, the dual rail design offers stability, accommodating users from 4'5" to 6'3". It's ultra quiet, operating at under 25 dB, meaning you can row at any hour without disturbing anyone. The smart display tracks your progress, and it's compatible with fitness apps for added motivation, perfect if you enjoy guided workouts. Some users mentioned that the assembly could take longer than expected. Now here's the deal. While it might take a bit more time, the payoff is worth it for a machine that's ready whenever you are. This is perfect for you if you want a machine that can be set up anywhere, even without a power source. Skip this one if you want a ready-to-go machine right out of the box, but it's still an awesome investment for long-term use. Now, if you're looking for something to protect your investment, check this next product out. Product number 4, Andakar Rowing Machine Cover. If you've invested in a rowing machine, you might want to consider the Andakar Rowing Machine Cover, priced at $23.99. It's a simple but important accessory to keep your machine safe. If you're looking to protect your equipment from dust and moisture, this is worth your attention. This cover is made from durable Oxford fabric, providing waterproof and UV protection against the elements. It fits perfectly on machines like the Concept 2, ensuring that your investment stays in top condition. The adjustable cord helps keep it secure, so you won't have to worry about it blowing away on windy days. However, some users found the fit to be slightly loose on some models, but honestly, for the price, it still offers a good level of protection and peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you want to prolong the life of your rowing machine and keep it looking new. Skip this one if you're looking for something more customizable, but overall, it's a smart buy for any home gym. Moving on, we have another cover that might catch your interest.
Product number 5, Mutishi Rowing Machine Cover. We have the Mutishi Rowing Machine Cover, priced at $26.99. This cover is designed for durability and all-season protection. If you want to ensure your rowing machine remains clean and safe year-round, this is definitely worth a look. Made from high-quality 420D fabric, it's waterproof, dustproof, and tear-resistant. It also features an anti-UV coating to protect your machine from sun damage, which is crucial if you're storing it in a sunny area. The adjustable drawstring keeps it secure, preventing it from blowing away even on the windiest days. That said, some users mention it can feel a bit bulky when folded, but honestly, the protection this cover offers far outweighs any minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want maximum protection for your rowing machine, especially if it's kept outdoors. Skip this one if you need something lightweight for easy storage, but for the price, it's a smart addition to your fitness gear.
The Yosuda offers great value for intense workouts. The Waipu folding machine is perfect for tight spaces. The self-powered Waipu gives you flexibility, while the Andakar and Mutishi covers ensure your investment stays protected. Each has its unique strengths, so choose based on what fits your needs best.